In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat to Framer. We'll keep this simple and fast. The plan is to create a WhatsApp chat widget with Elfsight and then embed it into your Framer site. Make sure you're signed into both platforms so you can follow along without interruptions. Start by opening the Elfsight dashboard in your browser. From the main navigation, open the catalog to browse available widgets. In the search bar, type What's and look for the WhatsApp chat option. Click it to open the widget builder. You'll see a range of templates designed for different styles and use cases. Choose a template that matches your brand, then continue with that template to open the customization panel. Here, add the WhatsApp number you want messages to reach. Use the correct country code and the exact format Elfsight requests. Avoid extra spaces or special characters. While you're here, feel free to adjust the greeting text, the welcome message, or the avatar so the chat feels a fun brand and helpful. When the preview looks right, click Publish. On the next screen, pick the free plan to proceed for this demonstration. After confirming, you'll be taken to the installation page. Click Copy Code to place the embed snippet on your clipboard. Keep this tab open in case you want to tweak settings later. Now, switch to your Framer project. Open your site and go to the Insert panel. In the search bar, type Embed, then drag the embed element onto your canvas where you want the widget to load. With the embed selected, choose the HTML option so you can paste custom code. Paste the Elfsight snippet into the editor. Framer will render the chat button shortly. If you don't see it immediately, toggle preview mode or refresh the canvas. Position the embed frame logically in your layer tree, ideally at the page or site level so it appears where you expect across your pages. The widget itself usually floats at the corner on the live site, so the frame's exact position in the canvas won't obstruct your design. You can rename the layer to keep your project organized. That's the full flow. Find the WhatsApp chat widget in Elfsight, pick a template, add your number, publish, choose the free plan, copy the code, and embed it in Framer via an HTML embed. When you publish your Framer site, visitors will see the chat icon and can start a WhatsApp conversation right away. If you need changes later, just update the widget in Elfsight. The edits will carry over automatically without touching your Framer code.